Hey friends, on today's video we are going to be deleting our DoorDash DashPass subscription. It's a pretty simple process. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using a browser to visit my DoorDash account online. Now this is something you can actually do through the app as well. It'll look obviously a little bit different. What we're gonna do though is we're just gonna come over here to our account settings. And obviously this opens up multiple different options here, including Manage DashPass down here. And as soon as this page loads, you'll be able to see your subscription details. Now again, you can see where my enrollment happened, as well as what my expiration date is. Now I actually had a 3-month complimentary pass. You can see that actually was valid through November 11th. And then I had an additional payment that was made. So now at this point, I want to cancel my subscription. So what we're going to do is actually just click on this option to end subscription here. And as you can see, we get a couple of little options. So you can see these are the benefits here for keeping your account. It can offer you some good savings. Again, if you use DoorDash quite a bit, this definitely is worth it to save on that delivery fee. We actually maybe use it once a month though. So again, at this point, it's not really worth us keeping after that free trial period. So I'm going to go ahead and click the end subscription button. And then we're taken back to this specific screen. As you can see, it now shows my DashPass as being canceled, and you can have the option to resubscribe down here if you would like. Now, one thing to note, if your previous month's subscription has already been processed, you can see that we will be able to get this free delivery all the way until next month when that cycle ends. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? Lets us know we're making helpful videos. Stay tuned because we got a bunch more tutorial videos that are coming up.